Hello and welcome. I'm Aditi from ICRIS Pharma Network. Warm greetings to everyone shaping the future of global healthcare. India isn't just a country. It's one of the world's most vital healthcare lifelines. In financial year 2024 to 25, India's pharmaceutical exports reached a historic 30.47 billion dollars, growing 9.4% year on year. Today, Indian medicines and vaccines travel to 200 plus countries, supporting patients across North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. More than 60% of these exports go to the world's most tightly regulated markets, including the United States, European Union, Japan, and Australia. The United States alone accounts for till 34% of India's pharma exports, with Europe contributing nearly 19%. Together, these markets rely on India for millions of daily prescriptions. India is the third largest pharmaceutical producer by volume globally. Its strength lies in delivery, 75% plus finished formulations and biologicals, 16% APIs and bulk drugs, along with vaccines and specialty products. Globally, India supplies 40% of generic medicines used in the US. 50% of global vaccine demand by volume, over 60% of the world's key vaccine supply to developing nations. That means 1 in every 2 vaccines administered worldwide likely has an Indian connection. India is also home to 500 plus FDA-approved manufacturing facilities, more than any country outside the United States. Behind this global impact are organizations like ICRIS Pharma Network, opening access to essential medicines and connecting patients worldwide to life-saving therapies. That's why, when the world speaks of accessible healthcare, it speaks of India. The world calls India the pharmacy of the world. Thank you for watching.